Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.9, Problem 2. This is Section 4.9, Problem 2. It says, if Lisa invests $400 at 6% simple interest, how much interest will she earn in 10 years? So the first thing you have to do with a problem like this is decide which of the two formulas from this section that you should use. There's a simple interest formula and a compound interest formula. It will be spelled out pretty clear. It says simple interest, so that's a simple interest formula. So you start with I equals PRT, and you fill it in. I is for interest earned, that's what we're trying to find. P is principal, or the initial investment, which is $400. The R is rate as a decimal, so this 6% doesn't go in as 6, it goes in as 0.06, the rate as a decimal. And then T is the time in years, so that's 10, and that fills in the formula. Now, if your teacher will allow you to use a calculator for these problems, you can just run it through the calculator, and most teachers will for this section. Some of the ones later in the section get pretty difficult. If you do multiply it, this one I can even do without a calculator. The two zeros in the 400 will turn the 06 into a 6. So 4 times 6 is 24, 24 times 10 is 240. So the amount of interest earned in the 10 years is $240. And again, if you want to do a nice job, you can put in a dollar symbol, and you can indicate that there are no cents like that. $240 of interest is earned.